I've got some asphalt here, concrete here. There's a little bit of a lip here. I'm going to take and cut this down so that this is sloped rather than almost a 90-degree angle there. I'm going to use a angle grinder blade. This is masonry. Asphalt is primarily made up, maybe 50% of it is rocks. The rest of it, I believe, is gravel and oil. So this will cut through the rocks, and the oil and gravel should be softer than those rocks. So I've got a blade in the angle grinder. I'm going to put on some goggles and some ear protection. And I'm working on the higher elevation. Asphalt's higher than the concrete. And on the angle grinder, it's got that nut on it, so then that catches or hits on the asphalt. So I have to kind of just whittle down. I can't make a big cut with it, so I just have to work at it a little bit. So I'm going to continue cutting on this and trying to taper this down so that it's not such a sudden transition, such a steep or sudden transition, is to be more smooth. So I'm going to work on this a little bit, show you the final results. And I got that done. A little bit rough. I end up using 2 masonry bits, and they go through pretty fast. So I'll need to pick up some more just to smooth this out a little bit. But much better than it was. Be sure and check out my other videos.